The event of Ghadir Khum took place on 18th of Dhul-Hijj in the year 10 Hijri at a place called Ghadir Khum near the present-day city of Juhfa in Saudi Arabia. It is where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family, delivered a sermon during his return from his final pilgrimage, declaring Imam Ali alayhi salam as his successor. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family, raised Imam Ali's hand and proclaimed, Man kuntu maulahu fahadha aliyun maula, which means, to whomever I am Maula, Ali is his Maula, where Maula means leader. According to many Islamic traditions, the verse of Surah Maida, O Messenger, deliver what has been revealed to you from your Lord, is associated with the event of Ghadir. The event is celebrated by Shia Muslims as Eid al-Ghadir. It is considered one of the most significant and joyous occasions in the Shia calendar.